Are you going to see a monkey? Let's do it again. Monkey. What did monkey say? Are you going to see a monkey today? Hello, little monkey. Get that kiss. We are the monkey people. We are. Wow, there goes my monkey. He's eating all the blueberries.
Oh, there's the monkey.
Another monkey? Oh my gosh. I want a monkey that can eat 3 blueberries. Wow! You scare me, monkey. I want a monkey that can eat 4 blueberries. 4 blueberries. Oh! I want a monkey that can eat 5 blueberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blueberries. No, that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God! What happened? Did the monkey drop a blueberry? Uh-oh. Okay, we better get another one. 5 blueberries going in the hole. Now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blueberries going in the hole. Ow!
Show Daddy what the monkey does like.
Let's show him what monkeys do. Daddy's scary, isn't he?
He's too good at that.
He looks too good at that, yes. You could be a monkey.
He did a monkey call and the monkey's called back.
What's the safe word again?
No, that one fell on the ground. We can't eat that one. That one's dirty. But monkeys like strawberries too. That's their other favorite food. Come on, monkey, put it in there. In the hole. It's a strawberry. You love strawberries.
What?
Do you want some milk now?
Mwah.
Some berries?
I will eat that dirty strawberry.
You want me to get you some more blueberries? I'll get you some new ones. I'll get you clean ones. That ones are not clean. Don't drop it. I'll get you some more blueberries. Okay.